So Earlham sponsors multiple internships over the summer, and you can also get funding for internships that you self-design.
And this summer I had this internship in Thailand where I went and worked in a biochem research lab. And that was great because it combined an interest that I knew I had, which was research and medical studying, with one that I didn't know, which was international travel.
I'm working as a geology lab assistant with Cynthia Fadem, doing research on her Tanzania Olduvai project.
They're with me through every phase of the work, doing the analysis of the sediments, doing the sampling, and then when we get back to Earlham, they complete student research hours and they work on analyzing the samples in the laboratory.
Definitely gained experience actually working in the field with professional researchers, because that's something I was never expecting myself to experience during college, but being able to actually fly overseas and work with people who have large grants to work with these kind of things was an eye-opening experience.
So this summer I worked at the Herman B. Wells Center for Pediatric Research, and I got to do really cool research where we analyzed the effect of an anti-cancer drug on cells isolated from mice that had been genetically engineered. So it was a super cool summer.
So I interned at the Global Environment and Technology Foundation, which is a nonprofit organization located in Arlington, which is basically in DC, but not in DC. And so what they do is they're a program management organization. So they're sort of the intermediary between big corporations who want to do corporate social responsibility projects and organizations like nonprofits who actually go into the countries that corporation wants to work in.
And this summer I was working at Huntington Bank, which is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, but I was working in their branch in Indianapolis, downtown.
Being able to travel abroad and meet new people and work and live in a new culture was a really great experience for me. And so going forward, I'd love to combine these experiences. I want to go to med school after I graduate here, and I would love to then go into international medicine.
To develop critical thinking skills, to develop independent research skills, which is a vital thing that graduate advisors are looking for, that employers are looking for, that you can be trusted on your own to do this very complicated work that not everyone can do, right? I did research as an undergraduate, and when I went to grad school, I was leagues ahead of everyone else in my cohort, and I had already read half the things they'd read. So, I mean, the value of it I've seen in my own life. And so it gives me a lot of satisfaction to give that experience to my students.